Today's video is going to be another Battlebox catch-up video where we try to catch up some of the videos that I missed in 2023 due to other circumstances. And several people said they'd like to see these, so this is going to be mission 101. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me for another one of these catch up the Battlebox videos. And again, the reason I'm doing these is because people ask me to, just so you can have, they can have a more complete library of examples of what to expect, maybe if the kind of gear to expect if they got a Battlebox. And another benefit to these videos, in my opinion, is you get a chance to maybe learn about some gear you didn't even know existed, but you think might really make a difference in your preparedness. So this is 101. You see this box is beat up pretty good, but stuff in it's still good. So we're going to get right to it. And let's see if I can find my paperwork here. Here it is. So the mission brief tells you what's in there. Basically, there's 4 levels of Battlebox subscription. At every level, you give them a little money and you get a little stuff. The more money you give them, the more stuff you get. And if you want to know how much money it's going to take, just go to the link in the video description below or go to battlebox.com and you can check all the prices there. They're subject to change. I don't want to list them on here. What I want to do is just show you what's in here. And the first level is the basic box. So the first item in the basic box is this After Bite Natural Balm. I'm going to read you what it says. Basically, this is for any kind of skin irritations from poison ivy, oak, or sumac, and bug bites. And it is camphor and colloidal oatmeal primarily. That's it. Active ingredients. And there may be some, I don't know if there's an oatmeal, camphor. I guess there's nothing. It's relieving balm. I guess there's nothing else in it. So it's a handy little can there. And then the second item in the basic list, basic level, is pretty cool. These are called Infinity Tool modular straps, and they're like little. You can use these things to tie stuff off. They're like mini bungee cords, and they have really ways to connect them. You can change the size of them very easily. It's a really cool idea. Each one of them has a little catch on the end of it. Several options to use these, and these are some that come in really handy for tying up rope, cords, anything. So that's those. And then finally, the third item is a body armor pack vent, and this is see what it says. It's basically goes on your backpack. It's got some ridges here to keep it off your back, so you can get a little air circulation in there. So I think that's pretty cool. So keep that back from getting so sweaty. And that is everything in the basic box for mission 101. The next level is the advanced box, and in the mission 101 advanced level, there's this Gear Aid Balta hatchet, which is a kind of basically a fire and camp building tool. It has a hammer pole on it, a belt clip here on the pack, a nice blade protector, a full tang all the way down. It has a stake puller right here, which is always handy to have. And it's 3.5-inch wide blade. Overall length is 9.5 inches long. It weighs 22 ounces, and it's 420 stainless steel. So that's the advanced stuff. The next level is a Pro box. And at the Pro level, you get all this and some more stuff. In Mission 101, that's some more stuff. In the Pro box was this Ruck River Yona backpack. And that's we get it open. Pretty good sized backpack. And I'm not sure if it's named after Mount Yona, which is up in North Georgia, not too far from where I live, a couple hours. But it's like a pretty good sized backpack. Let's see if it says anything special about it. 600D polyester fabric for durability. This is 65 liters when expanded, so pretty neat. And it actually you don't have to expand it. You can leave it small or not, or unexpanded. So that is the Pro box for the Mission 101. And then finally, there's a Pro Plus level, and that's the highest level. You give them, well, at least it's the highest basic regular level. I think they may have something even special or more special or specialer now, but generally it's going to be something sharp. Pro Plus. This 101, that month, 101, the how about that? Well, looks like maybe
ghosts sit around the campfire and tell Chuck Norris stories.
That was why the box was all tore up. it had a Kershaw leak in it. So maybe that one got out in the shipping process, but also had this Kershaw tool that's got all kinds of little bits in it. You can keep it really handy to work on your knives and other stuff. So wish I could show you that. So kind of a letdown, but because that's a pretty cool knife. Anyway, so that was everything that was in the Mission 101 battle box. So again, we're just trying to catch this stuff up, and hopefully this give you some stuff that maybe you didn't see. I try to show you what my favorite stuff is every time. I can tell you that, believe it or not, these little things here, you've seen these. I think I saw these recently, actually in a Crate Club video that I did. So I think Crate Club and Battlebox are owned by the same people now. But these infinity tools, I really like these. To be honest with you, I've got like those little pancake air compressors I use for stuff. It's got that hose with it, that kind of stiffer hose, and it rolls up good, but it doesn't stay together good. These things are really good for wrapping up like an air hose and then hooking it to the handle or extension cords or anything like that. So I like these a lot. And then, I like this. I mean, that's just nothing uncool about that. It's a little hatchet. So there you go. And I would have really liked the Kershaw leak, but it's not there. So anyway, I hope this video has been somewhat informative, reasonably entertaining, and maybe even a little helpful. I really sincerely appreciate you watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival is not an accident. So be prepared. I'll see you next time.